Mars is closer to becoming humanity's second home than ever before. In the year 2025, multiple missions are actively exploring the planet, uncovering secrets that could change everything we know about life beyond Earth. Here's a powerful fact. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, standing nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. This giant peak tells a story of a planet shaped by intense geological forces. Did you know this incredible feature exists on our neighboring world? Mars missions in 2025. Mars in 2025 is no longer just a distant dream but a dynamic frontier buzzing with activity and innovation. This year marks a pivotal moment as multiple missions, both robotic and preparatory for human arrival, are in full swing. NASA's Perseverance rover continues to send back invaluable data, analyzing Martian soil and searching for signs of ancient microbial life, while China's Tianwen-1 mission expands our understanding of Mars's atmosphere and surface. Meanwhile, private companies like SpaceX are pushing the boundaries with their Starship program, aiming to make human travel to Mars a reality within the decade. Advances in artificial intelligence and robotics have revolutionized how these missions operate, allowing rovers and landers to perform complex tasks autonomously, overcoming the communication delays between Earth and Mars. The year 2025 also sees unprecedented international collaboration, with agencies from Europe, Russia and the UAE joining forces to share resources and expertise, accelerating our collective progress. These missions not only gather scientific data, but also test new technologies for sustainable living on Mars, such as habitat modules and life support systems designed to withstand the harsh Martian environment. The excitement is palpable because each discovery brings us closer to answering profound questions about life beyond Earth and our future as an interplanetary species. Mars in 2025 is a testament to human curiosity and determination, setting the stage for the next giant leap in space exploration. What's happening on the Red Planet right now isn't just history in the making, it's the foundation for humanity's future among the stars. Technological advances. The technology powering Mars exploration in 2025 is nothing short of revolutionary, transforming how we study and prepare for life on the Red Planet. Gone are the days when rovers were simple remote-controlled machines. Today's explorers are equipped with cutting-edge artificial intelligence that enables them to make decisions independently, navigate treacherous terrain, and conduct experiments without waiting for instructions from Earth. This leap in autonomy is crucial because the communication delay between Earth and Mars can stretch up to 22 minutes one way, making real-time control impossible. Advanced robotics now handle complex tasks like drilling beneath the surface to collect samples, analyzing soil chemistry, and even assembling habitat components designed for future astronauts. Communication technology has also seen a massive upgrade, with laser-based systems promising faster and more reliable data transmission, allowing scientists to receive high-resolution images and detailed findings almost in real time. Additionally, innovations in power sources such as improved nuclear batteries and solar panels optimized for Mars's dusty environment ensure these missions can last longer and perform more ambitious tasks. The integration of virtual reality and augmented reality tools is also helping mission planners and engineers on Earth to simulate Mars conditions with incredible accuracy, refining every step before it happens millions of miles away. All these technological advances don't just push the boundaries of exploration, they lay the groundwork for sustainable human presence on Mars. In 2025, technology isn't just supporting missions, it's redefining what's possible for humanity's next giant leap into the cosmos. Mars colonization efforts. Human colonization of Mars in 2025 is shifting from science fiction to serious groundwork, with bold plans and groundbreaking tests shaping the future of interplanetary living. SpaceX's Starship program is at the forefront, making rapid progress toward carrying the first humans to Mars within the next few years. These efforts are not just about reaching Mars, but about creating sustainable habitats where people can live and work long-term. Engineers and scientists are testing life support systems that recycle air and water, advanced greenhouses to grow food in Martian soil, and radiation shielding to protect settlers from cosmic rays and solar storms. NASA's Artemis program, while focused on the Moon, is also playing a crucial role by developing technologies and strategies that will be adapted for Mars missions. Meanwhile, space agencies worldwide are collaborating on building infrastructure like landing pads, communication networks, and energy sources that future colonies will rely on. The challenges are immense. Mars' thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and isolation demand innovative solutions. But every test and prototype in 2025 brings us closer to turning Mars into a second home. What's thrilling is that this isn't just about astronauts in spacesuits. It's about creating a new society, with all the complexities that come with it, from psychology to resource management. The dream of humans living on Mars is no longer a distant fantasy, but a rapidly approaching reality, fueled by relentless ambition and cutting-edge science. In 2025, Mars colonization efforts are laying the foundation for humanity's boldest adventure yet. Scientific discoveries. Mars continues to surprise scientists in 2025 with groundbreaking discoveries that, honestly, reshape our understanding of the planet's history and its potential for life. Recent data from rovers and orbiters have revealed these really complex geological formations that hint at a wetter, more dynamic past than we ever imagined. Sedimentary layers, ancient riverbeds, and mineral deposits all suggest that Mars once had vast oceans and lakes, creating environments that could have supported microbial life. In 2025, researchers are analyzing organic molecules found in Martian soil samples, and that's sparking some lively debates about whether life ever existed there. These findings aren't just scientific curiosities, they could actually answer one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? Additionally, the discovery of methane spikes in the atmosphere continues to intrigue experts, since methane can be produced by both geological and biological processes. Figuring out its source could unlock clues about current or past life beneath the surface. Mars's diverse terrain, from those towering volcanoes to deep canyons, is also being studied in unprecedented detail, revealing how volcanic activity and climate shifts shaped the planet's evolution. Each new discovery adds pieces to the puzzle, helping scientists prepare for future human missions by identifying safe landing sites and resource-rich areas. The excitement in 2025 is honestly palpable, because every breakthrough brings Mars closer from a distant world to a place we might actually one day call home. Exploring Mars isn't just about science, it's about discovering our own origins and possibilities in the vast cosmos. Water on Mars. Water on Mars has become the hottest topic in 2025, and for good reason. Finding accessible water is the key to unlocking Mars's potential for life and human settlement. Recent missions have confirmed that vast reserves of water ice lie hidden beneath the planet's surface, especially near the poles and in some mid-latitude regions. But what's truly exciting is the growing evidence that liquid water might occasionally flow on the surface, even if just briefly, during those warmer seasons. This discovery really challenges long-held beliefs about Mars being a completely dry world, and it opens up new possibilities for sustaining future explorers. Scientists are also investigating how to extract this ice efficiently, turning it into drinkable water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel by splitting water molecules. This could drastically reduce the need to transport resources from Earth, making Mars missions a lot more feasible and cost-effective. Moreover, understanding the water cycle on Mars helps researchers predict weather patterns and seasonal changes, which is crucial for planning safe human activities. The presence of water also fuels the ongoing search for microbial life, since water is essential for all known life forms. In 2025, every drop of water discovered on Mars isn't just a scientific breakthrough, it's a lifeline for humanity's ambitions beyond Earth. With water now more than just a distant hope, Mars is steadily transforming from a barren desert into a world teeming with potential for discovery, survival, and maybe one day, thriving human communities. Mars atmosphere and climate. Mars's atmosphere in 2025 remains one of the most fascinating and challenging aspects of exploring the red planet. Unlike Earth's thick, life-supporting blanket of gases, Mars has a thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with just traces of nitrogen and argon. This thin layer means surface pressure is less than 1% of Earth's, making it impossible for humans to breathe without assistance. But what's really captivating in 2025 is how scientists are unraveling the mysteries of Mars's climate and weather patterns. Dust storms, some of which can actually engulf the entire planet for weeks, continue to pose a major obstacle for solar-powered missions and future colonists. These storms can drastically reduce sunlight, affecting energy supplies and visibility. Researchers are closely monitoring temperature fluctuations that swing wildly from blistering heat during the day to freezing cold at night, demanding innovative solutions for habitats and equipment. Recent data also show seasonal changes in atmospheric gases, hinting at active geological or even biological processes beneath the surface. Understanding these atmospheric dynamics is absolutely crucial for planning safe landings, designing protective gear, and predicting weather conditions for astronauts. In 2025, every insight into Mars's atmosphere brings us closer to taming this alien environment, turning a hostile world into a place where humans might one day thrive. The red planet's climate may be harsh and unpredictable, but it's also a puzzle that fuels our curiosity and determination to explore further. International collaboration. International collaboration on Mars exploration in 2025 is reaching unprecedented levels, proving that space truly unites humanity beyond borders. Space agencies from Europe, Russia, China, the UAE, and the United States are pooling their expertise, technology, and resources to tackle the immense challenges of reaching and studying Mars. This global teamwork accelerates progress by sharing data, coordinating mission schedules, and jointly developing new technologies. For example, the European Space Agency's ExoMars mission works closely with NASA's Perseverance rover, combining their scientific instruments to maximize discoveries. Meanwhile, private companies from various countries contribute innovative spacecraft designs and launch capabilities, making Mars missions more affordable and frequent. This cooperation extends beyond just hardware. Scientists and engineers across continents collaborate in real time through virtual platforms, analyzing samples and planning future missions together. The benefits are clear. By working as a united front, the international community can overcome technical, financial, and logistical hurdles that would be insurmountable alone. In 2025, Mars exploration is not just a race, it's a shared journey that reflects humanity's collective curiosity and ambition. This spirit of collaboration also sets a powerful example for solving Earth's problems, showing how global challenges can be met with unity and innovation. As we push further into the cosmos, the partnerships forged today will be the foundation for sustainable human presence on Mars and beyond. The story of Mars in 2025 is as much about cooperation as it is about discovery, reminding us that when we reach for the stars, we do it together. Challenges in Mars exploration. Mars exploration faces some of the toughest challenges humanity has ever encountered, and well, 2025 is no exception. One of the biggest hurdles is radiation. Without Earth's protective magnetic field, astronauts and equipment on Mars are exposed to dangerous cosmic rays and solar particles that can damage DNA and electronics. Engineers are, racing to develop effective shielding technologies, from advanced materials to underground habitats, to keep future settlers safe. Another persistent challenge is Mars's infamous dust storms, which can last for weeks and cover the entire planet, blocking sunlight and disrupting solar power systems. These storms also pose risks to machinery by clogging joints and sensors with fine dust. Communication delays between Earth and Mars, which can stretch up to 22 minutes one way, make real-time control impossible, forcing rovers and landers to operate autonomously, a complex feat requiring sophisticated AI. The thin atmosphere and extreme temperature swings, from scorching days to freezing nights, demand robust life support systems and habitat designs that can withstand these harsh conditions. Even the psychological effects of isolation and confinement on astronauts are a major concern, prompting research into mental health support for long-duration missions. Despite these obstacles, every challenge tackled in 2025 pushes us closer to sustainable human presence on Mars. These difficulties don't just test technology, they test human resilience and ingenuity, proving that with determination and innovation, no frontier is too daunting. Mars exploration in 2025 is a story of overcoming the impossible, one challenge at a time. Mars sample return missions. Mars sample return missions in 2025 are among the most ambitious and eagerly anticipated projects in space exploration. For the first time, robotic spacecraft are not only collecting soil and rock samples, but preparing to send these precious pieces of Mars back to Earth for detailed analysis. This monumental effort involves complex coordination between orbiters, landers, and rovers working in perfect harmony. The samples hold the key to unlocking Mars's secrets, offering clues about its geological history, climate evolution, and the tantalizing possibility of past life. Unlike remote analysis, bringing Martian material to Earth allows scientists to use the most advanced laboratory equipment far beyond what can be sent to Mars to conduct experiments with, honestly, unparalleled precision. The technical challenges are enormous. The spacecraft must safely collect, store, and launch the samples into orbit around Mars, where another spacecraft will capture them for the journey home. Success in 2025 would mark a historic first in interplanetary sample return, paving the way for future missions that could bring back even more diverse materials. This mission also tests technologies essential for human exploration, such as precision landing and autonomous rendezvous in space. The excitement surrounding these missions is palpable because they represent a giant leap in our quest to understand Mars not just as a distant world, but as a place that once might have harbored life. In 2025, the dream of holding a piece of Mars in our hands is closer than ever, promising to revolutionize planetary science and inspire generations to come. Future outlook beyond 2025. Mars exploration beyond 2025 is shaping up to be an era of bold ambitions and groundbreaking breakthroughs that could, really redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. Plans are already underway for more advanced missions that aim not just to visit Mars but to establish a lasting human presence. Concepts like building self-sustaining colonies, mining Martian resources, and even terraforming parts of the planet are moving from theoretical discussions to serious research and development. Space agencies and private companies are designing next-generation spacecraft capable of faster travel, larger payloads, and safer landings. Technologies tested in 2025 will evolve, enabling astronauts to live longer on Mars with minimal reliance on Earth. Beyond technology, the focus will shift to creating the social, psychological, and economic frameworks needed for life on another planet. Everything from governance and communication to education and healthcare in space. Meanwhile, robotic explorers will continue to scout new regions, searching for resources and uncovering Mars' secrets in greater detail. International cooperation is expected to deepen, with joint missions and shared infrastructure becoming the norm. The challenges remain daunting: radiation, dust storms, and the sheer distance from Earth. But the momentum built in 2025 promises a future where Mars is not just a destination but a new home. The excitement lies in knowing that what we start now will shape the next century of exploration and discovery. Mars Beyond 2025 is a story of human resilience, innovation, and the unyielding desire to explore the unknown, pushing us ever closer to becoming an interplanetary species. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Mars in 2025. If you loved diving into these fascinating facts about the Red Planet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update from Space Facts. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or questions about Mars and space exploration. Your curiosity fuels our mission to bring the universe closer to you. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.